Welcome to our Adventure Miles. Here's your water taxi. If you're interested in getting Fethiye, this is how you do it. From Calais Beach to Fethiye. So this is the route, the canal down to the open water towards Fethiye main town. When you're walking from Calais Beach to Fethiye along the little boardwalk here, you come across this cool little cafe right across the bird sanctuary, so it's really neat. You got birds sitting on stoops over here. Continues along. It's pretty cool. Alright, this place is huge. You keep going, and every alley you come to, there's more and more stalls going down. Like, it would take an entire day to go through this place. So one of the attractions when you arrive here in Fethiye are the tombs in the rocks. You can see behind me, just up there, that the tombs are set in this side of the cliff, which is pretty cool. And one of the other benefits of coming up to these tombs is that the view behind us. Just looking down to the city, the harbor, the water, spectacular. We came across this nice little cafe. Very, very cool ambiance. Roasted peanuts, made fresh. Now we are in Old Town. Another thing you want to do when you come down to Fethiye is check out the marina. And along this side of the marina, there's a ton of different older ships that they go on cruises, such as a pirate ship, etc. So it's pretty cool. Enjoy the view. So when you get off at Dolmas from Fethiye, you're going to get off right here. And then this is the stop to go back. But the entrance to the old city is right through here. If you're interested in coming to Kayako, it was 230 Turkish lira to get in for 2 people. We heard about an abandoned village that had ancient ruins. Kayako actually dates back to 3000 BC. The houses on the slopes belonged to the Greek settlement, which was called Lavisi at the time. And we found out through a person on the bus that we met, he actually lives in the village. There are some homes that haven't been fully gutted, that have been preserved and are actually being rented out to people. And so it's neat to find out that there's an actual small population still living in this abandoned ghost town. Pretty interesting. So when you come to Kayako, you have to make sure that you have good shoes. Like I'm wearing these sports athletic flip-flops. Definitely recommend those. And for those who want something more secure, hiking boots or running shoes would definitely be better. Oh, hey, buddy.
What is it?
It's a goat.
Oh my gosh. Yay. Oh my gosh. Hi. Yeah. Oh, buddy. Just one. Don't get too close. Just one.
This one that I see. Well, we made it to the top. Church is right behind us, right there. You can see all the way around. The city expands all the way down there. It's quite incredible. Made it to the flagpole. Hey kids. If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.